In my last video, I made the Solo Eater Wiener Heater, the personal pork torture, the one and done hot dog hot box. Point is, when I designed it, I included this secret wiener skewer right in the handle. Now, I didn't include how I made this, so I thought I would do a quick follow-up video showing just the details on this. Some of you may have seen me use this dowel centering technique before, but I want to thank commenter Machinist72 for the idea of cutting this slot to really clamp it in place. Thanks. Now, I will admit that this technique is not foolproof when you're drilling this far through a dowel, at least with such a narrow bit. The grain of the wood is going to cause the bit to deviate from center. But at least in this case, it doesn't really matter all that much as long as we start on center at this end. If you know of a better method of boring through the center of a dowel with limited tools, please let me know. Also, if you come up with any more names for this little cooker capsule, please do leave them in the comments. I can't rest until I have exhausted every instance of wiener wordplay. It's keeping me up at night.